Have you ever felt tired in a way that sleep doesn't fix? Not just busy day tired, but a deep, heavy fatigue. The kind that just sits in your body. Many women over 40 assume it's just aging, hormones, or stress. But sometimes, the answer lives in an organ most people never even think about: your spleen. It sits quietly under your left ribcage, about the size of your fist, and it plays a powerful role in your energy, immunity, and blood health. Today, we're going to rediscover this forgotten organ and understand why supporting it can change how you feel every single day. Because midlife health isn't about fighting your body. It's about supporting the systems that support you. Think of your spleen as the quality control manager of your blood. It has 3 very important jobs. First, filtration. Your spleen removes old or damaged red blood cells so the healthy ones can carry oxygen efficiently. Second is storage. It keeps a reserve of platelets and blood ready for when your body needs to make repairs. And third, immune defense. The spleen helps your white blood cells recognize bacteria and other threats in the bloodstream. It's part of both the immune system and the circulatory system, which is why it has such a powerful impact on how you feel. After 40, our bodies naturally become less efficient at clearing out metabolic waste. When the spleen gets overworked, blood circulation and our immune response can slow down. And that's when some of those subtle symptoms can begin to show up. A struggling spleen rarely causes dramatic symptoms. Instead, it whispers. Here are 3 common signs many women notice in midlife. First, persistent fatigue. Even after you get a good night's rest, your energy just feels low and heavy. Second, easy bruising or slow recovery. You might notice that your body takes longer to repair small injuries. And third, digestive heaviness. You feel bloated or sluggish after meals, especially in the afternoon. Now, these symptoms don't mean something is wrong with you. They often just mean your body needs better circulation, nourishment, and rhythm. And the good news is that these systems are highly responsive to simple, daily habits. When your spleen and your blood filtering systems are supported, the changes can feel surprisingly noticeable. Your energy becomes more stable throughout the day. Your immune system responds faster when you're exposed to illness. Your mental clarity improves. Your body feels lighter and more resilient. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about restoring efficiency inside the body. Something that becomes more and more important with every decade of life. Midlife health isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. The spleen responds best to warmth, circulation, and nourishment. Here are 3 gentle practices you can start this week. First, choose warm drinks whenever possible. Warm water or herbal tea supports both digestion and circulation. Second, add gentle spices like ginger to your meals or tea. Ginger is wonderful for supporting blood flow and digestion. And third, try morning ribcage tapping. Using soft fingertips, just lightly tap the left rib area for about 30 seconds to help stimulate circulation. These aren't dramatic interventions. They're small signals of care that your body understands immediately. And small signals, when repeated daily, create powerful change over time. Your body is not fragile. It is adaptive, intelligent, and always trying to protect you. Sometimes, it just needs a little support in the places we rarely think about. Today, that place was the spleen, the quiet guardian of your blood and your vitality. If this episode helped you understand your body in a new way, please like the video so more women can find this information. And subscribe to The Immune Lens, where we explore midlife health one system at a time. Next week, we'll begin exploring hormones and immunity, and how they shape our energy, mood, and aging after 40. Take care of your body. It's taking care of you. I'll see you in the next episode.